Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Bizzy Birdz toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. This Bizzy Birdz natural perch is tough and can be installed inside or outside of your bird's cage. It has easy-to-use butterfly nuts to fasten it in your chosen location. Birds love to sit at different levels, so combine a few of these perches for a variety perching choices for your parrot. To create the ideal environment for your pet bird, order today